Hello everyone and welcome back to Deano Outdoors. Today we're going to test this 21-volt brushless half-inch impact wrench from Avhrit. I'll start off by showing you everything that comes with your impact wrench kit. Then I'll go over the specs of this impact wrench. And finally we'll take it out to the garage and test it out, so stick around. Alright, so let's take a look at what comes inside the box. Your impact wrench will come in a hard side plastic case. Alright, here's a look inside your impact wrench case. You're going to receive a user's owner manual. I like the fact that everything is stored neatly inside this plastic case. When you're not using your impact wrench, you can store it neatly inside this case, close it up, throw it in the back of your vehicle, and you'll have it in case you break down alongside the road. Included in your kit, you're going to receive 4 common impact sockets ranging from 14mm, 17mm, 19mm, and 21mm, your most common sizes. You're going to receive a lithium-ion battery charger with an indicator light on it. And you're going to receive not one, but 2 21-volt, 4-amp-hour lithium batteries. These 4-amp-hour batteries have an easy release button on the back. Press that in and you can remove it from your tool. And they also have a nice indicator light located on the front. You press that and it'll show you how much battery life is left, which is really handy. And finally we have our 21-volt brushless half-inch impact wrench. This impact wrench features a nice rubberized grip so it will not slip out of your hand. This features an auto brake stop, meaning when your bolts come loose, it'll reduce speed and stop so you don't wreck your threads. It features an LED light on the front so you can see in low lit conditions, and has 3 modes: auto, high, and low. Let's get out to the garage and test this out on some lug nuts. Alright, I'm out in my garage. I'm going to test out this impact wrench on my 2008 Honda Civic. I'll start off by torquing all my lug nuts down to 80 foot-pounds at the recommended specs, and then we'll go ahead and give it a test. Alright, so when you're going to be using your impact wrench for removing your lug nuts, you're going to have a variable speed trigger, and you're going to have 2 modes for removing. It's going to be either in the manual mode, or you can press this button here. You'll see this light indicator come on, meaning that it's in auto mode. Now when you're in auto mode, when the thing senses that your lug nuts are loose, it'll stop. So you squeeze your trigger in, and if it doesn't sense any resistance, it'll automatically stop, which will help keep your threads from getting damaged. So for the first test, I'm just going to have it in the manual mode, so I'll take that light off. And we'll give it a test, and then we'll switch it over to the automatic mode and see how that works. Very quick, very fast. I'll try let's put it in the automatic mode now. You can see the light is illuminated there, and we'll see how that performs. So, as you could see, as soon as that lug nut broke free and was loose from the stud, the impact wrench automatically shut down so you don't do any damage to your threads. I still have the trigger compressed, but the impact wrench had shut off. Very nice. So now when you go to reinstall your lug nuts. There's going to be 2 modes on that. So you have a high indicator light. You press that button and you can select the low. So you got a high and a low. So we'll start off by on the low mode here, and we'll reinstall these. Here's the low. And there's the high. So you can see and hear the difference in the speeds. I like to start my lug nuts by hand. Make sure you don't get them cross-threaded. So we'll do that again. We'll just we'll go a little bit slower this time. And now we'll go ahead and we'll put it on the high mode. This impact wrench is stated to deliver 480 foot-pounds at a max RPM of 3,200 RPMs, which is plenty of impact torque to remove any of your cars or trucks lug nuts. After removing the lug nuts and replacing them on the one tire, the battery level is still at 100%, as you can see there. Given this battery life, plenty of juice to do all 4 of your tires with ease, and you should still have a little bit of battery life left. I do like the fact that this impact wrench has a built-in LED light in the front, giving you a little extra visibility for those low lit conditions, or if you have to be changing your tire, say you break down in the middle of the night alongside the road where there is no lighting. The grip of this impact wrench is really comfortable, ergonomically designed and fit. It's got a nice rubber grip to it. It's not going to slip out of your hand. And it's lightweight, that you're not going to get fatigue if you're using it for long periods of time. It does have a brushless motor. And the fact that it comes with 2 batteries and a hard case, along with 4 impact sockets, is a bonus as well. Well, thanks for joining me today. As you can see in the video, this impact wrench has enough power to remove your lug nuts from your standard cars and trucks. The battery life has plenty of juice to do all 4 sets of tires. And the fact that it comes with a second battery is a plus as well. In case your first battery does run low, you can swap it out with your other battery. The LED light feature on the front of this is nice for those low lit conditions if you're working inside of a darker or dimly lit garage. And the 3 mode option is really handy if you're going to be just using this for some lighter duty bolts, or even just setting some screws. You can put it on low, and for those tougher jobs you can set it on high or auto. I also really enjoy the hard case that comes with it. When you're finished with your impact wrench, you can stow it away in your case, slide it in the back seat of your car, and then you'll have it handy in case you break down alongside the road. If you guys are interested in checking out this impact wrench from Avhrit, I'll leave a link down in the description below. If you guys are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It's the easiest way to help support this channel. As always, thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.